Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well at home. Today, we will learn a lesson in English called as subject and object. Both these are parts of any English sentence. Let us now understand the difference between the two. Let's read the following sentences. The visitor rang the doorbell. Second sentence, the dog caught the thief. Now in both the sentence, can you all tell me which are the verbs? Verbs means action words. So in the first sentence, the action that is happening is rang. And in the second sentence, the action that is happening is caught. So in both those sentences, rang and caught are verbs. Now to find out the subject and object, we have to ask questions to the verb. Who or what is asked before the verb to know the subject of a verb. So in the first sentence, if we ask the question, who rang? What answer will you get? The visitor. So the visitor is the subject of the verb rang. Same way, in the second sentence, if you ask the question, what caught? The dog. Dog will be the subject of the verb caught. So remember, to find out subject, you have to ask the questions who or what before the verb. The answer that you get becomes the subject. Now let's look at object of the verb. Whom or what is asked after the verb to know the object of the verb. So here if we ask rang what, the answer will be the doorbell. So the doorbell is the object of the verb rang. In the same way, if you ask caught whom, the answer that you get will be the thief. So the thief is the object of the verb caught. So remember, for object, ask the questions whom or what after the verb, and the answer that you get becomes the object of the verb. Visitor, dog, doorbell and thief are all nouns. So subject and object of the verb are usually nouns. Now that you understood what is subject and object, let us do an exercise. Pick out the subject and object in the following sentences as shown. One sentence is done and shown to you. The monkey ate the bananas quickly. In this sentence, children, which is the verb? Ate. So if I ask the question, who ate? The answer will be the monkey. So the monkey becomes the subject. And if I ask the question after the verb, ate what? The bananas. So the bananas becomes the object of the verb ate. Now let's do the next one. Nishant throws a bone. In this sentence, the verb is throws. So you ask the question, who throws? Nishant. Nishant is your subject. Throws what? A bone. A bone becomes the object. See, the octopus has 8 tentacles. The verb is has. What has? The octopus. So the octopus is your subject. Has what? 8 tentacles. 8 tentacles will be your object. D. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Gitanjali. Wrote is the verb. Rabindranath Tagore will be the subject of the verb and wrote what? Gitanjali. So Gitanjali will be the object of the verb wrote. The priest blessed the boy. Blessed is the verb. Who blessed? The priest. That becomes the subject. And blessed whom? The boy. The boy becomes the object. F. The dictionary contains many words. Contains will be your verb. The dictionary will be the subject and many words will be your object. G. The dog followed its master. Followed is the verb. The dog will be the subject. Its master will be the object. Rahul sold his bicycle. Sold is the verb. Who sold? Rahul. So Rahul becomes the subject. Sold what? His bicycle. His bicycle becomes the object. Vicky gave a smile. Gave is the verb. Who gave? Vicky. Vicky becomes the subject. Gave what? A smile. A smile becomes your object. And the last one, Mr. Verma bought a watch. Bought is the verb. Who bought? Mr. Verma. So Mr. Verma will be the subject. Bought what? A watch. A watch will be the object of the verb bought. So in this way, children, you have to identify the verb, ask the questions before the verb to get the subject and after the verb to get the object. That was all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.